What is the best recession-proof skill that you can learn as a coach or consultant in 2022? Well, I can tell you the best skill that you need to learn is how to turn videos into high-paying clients. This is a strategy and a tactic that we call conversion videos. Being able to craft a video and know exactly what to say and do on that video so you can take the viewers of the video and actually turn them into your ideal clients. Now, I've made trainings on this and I'll post some resources below, but this is what I want to talk about in this video. And why do I call this a recession-proof skill? Well, the best part about this is you don't actually need to run any ads for these videos to work. Now, you can run ads, you can amplify them with ads, but what you can do specifically with these videos is learn how to craft the video, learn how to post it and where to post it, and you can post it on any social media platform. It honestly doesn't even matter which platform. It could be here on YouTube, it could be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, right? With whatever the best practices are for those platforms. We've got resources here on this channel and down below on exactly how to do that. But what you need to do is craft these videos, and I'll talk about the 4 key components of this video in just a second. Craft these videos, and once you have that, you're gonna be able to attract your ideal clients that are watching the videos and have them take action, whether it be booking a call with you, purchasing a program or a course that you happen to have, whatever that next step is in your coaching or consulting business. This is the best recession-proof strategy because you can use this regardless of what's going on in the outside world. You don't need extra ad dollars to do this. You don't need to be an incredible, high-ticket salesperson. You don't need to be an incredible, person at running paid traffic or whatever it happens to be. All you need to know how to do is how to turn on a camera, talk to the camera in a certain way, following these 4 key points that I'm gonna break down in just a second, and then incorporate those into your video to actually get people to take action and look to work with you. So let's break down exactly how this conversion video framework works. There's 4 key components to conversion videos. There's character, credibility, connect, and call to action. So what you need to do is you need to actually have your character show up first in your videos. People are going to be magnetically attracted to who you are. And the character that you present yourself in is being an authentic authority in your space. So what you want to do is you want to be authentic, you want to be yourself, you want to show up on camera, you want to be who you are, but you also want to be the authority. You need to teach something that you actually have an expertise in. So you want to be that authentic authority, show up as your authentic self, but ready to help and ready to teach people exactly what it is you're an expert at. Then from there, you want to make a connection. You want to connect with them. This is where you're inviting them into your world. So you're telling stories, you're teaching them, you're helping them see a transformation you've gone through, your clients have gone through, right? You're actually connecting with them, the struggles that they have, the challenges that they have, and showing them that you know where they are right now and you can solve that problem for them. So this is where you're really creating that connection. So you've got your character, you're connecting. The third step is credibility. This is where you're actually bolstering the credibility that you have to be the person that can actually help them. This is where you can reference testimonials and case studies. This is where you can also talk about the growth and the journey that you've had, how you've helped other people apply these same strategies, what makes you the expert. What are you able to showcase here? This is also a great place to really teach, provide more value, actually give what we call golden nuggets. Now, what are golden nuggets? Golden nuggets are very small, right? They're bite-sized, but they're also incredibly valuable. So what's something that you can teach in a short amount of time, but provide a lot of value with, right? So now you're providing that credibility. And finally, the 4th step is call to action. So you've drawn them in with your character, you've connected with them, showing them that you know the problems that they have, you've been there before, you've helped people who have been there before, you're building the credibility, you're teaching them, you're showing case study, you're showing examples, and the final step is the call to action to say, hey, I'm going to invite you to take bold action and to have me help you in this problem. And so you've already connected with them, you've already demonstrated your character, you've demonstrated your credibility, and now you're inviting them off of that video to take that next step in a call to action. Now, you'll probably notice that I'm actually using all of these principles in this video. I know it's kind of meta, it's funny to talk about that, but I am using all of these principles here, right? So hopefully you can see the character that I am. I want to help you, I want to teach you how this works, and then I want to connect with you. I want to say, hey, this is a strategy that we've utilized, not just for ourselves, but for our clients, and then from there, demonstrating the credibility. So what I would do in that case is I would showcase this is the same strategy we've used to help coaches and consultants scale to 7 figures, 6 figures, $10,000 a month, even landing their very first high-paying client online. This same strategy works. And the best part is it's a recession-proof skill. If you know how to turn on the camera, you know what to say, you know what to do, then all you need to do is turn on the camera and take action and go through this conversion video framework. Now, we have more in-depth parts of this framework in our full video clients training that I'll link down below. And that's a good example of a call to action, right? It's providing more value that you can take and you can go into. And so what I really wanted to do in this video is teach you this recession-proof skill, the ability to turn on the camera, connect with your ideal clients, demonstrate your character, showcase your credibility, and then have a call to action that gets people to take action and take that next step that you're looking for. Now, if you can learn how to turn videos into high-paying clients, even without spending a dime on paid ads. And it also doesn't even matter what video platform you're posting these on. It can work the same on any platform. If you can master this skill, then you have a recession-proof skill that you can utilize and depend on to attract high-paying clients at will. Which I really love, which I'm really excited about. I know a lot of people right now, especially with things that are going on in the world, they're looking for recession-proof skills that you can use without, going in and having to spend a lot on ads or really get good at, closing people. It's not about closing people, it's about helping people, right? It's about providing value and getting them to take action. And that's what we want to do, show you how you can turn videos into high-paying clients. Now, if you're watching this video as we post it, right, within the first week, I've got a 5-day challenge, a video clients challenge, where I'm gonna be showing you and working with you with myself, my co-host Dave Anderson. He's our video performance expert here at Ad Outreach. We are gonna be working over the course of 5 days live to help you map out your own conversion videos framework. This is a massive opportunity. I'm gonna be there, Dave's gonna be there, we're gonna be there live. It should be coming out next week from the time you're watching this video. So we're gonna be having this right here at the end of July. And we're gonna be doing a live 5-day challenge to help you map out how to take these videos and turn them into high-paying clients. If you want to sign up for the challenge, I'll post the link right there at the top of the description. Now, we're planning to run more of these, so you can check out that link even if you're watching this video in the future. But either way, we'll also link an on-demand 30-minute training that you can watch that covers these strategies as well. But I highly encourage you, if you have the opportunity to attend the challenge, we're going to be doing that hands-on, and that's where you can really start to implement this strategy. We also wanted to make it a low-cost challenge, so it's something that's approachable for everyone. So you can click the link down below, and hopefully you found this video valuable on the best recession-proof skill that you can learn for your coaching or consulting business, and that's the ability to turn videos into high-paying clients. Thank you.